Peace be upon you everyone. Hello and welcome again. I am Abdul Qadir. In this episode, we will discuss the other two subsystems of the GSM architecture, the NSS and OSS. The main component of NSS is the switching center. We have databases for visitor location register and home location register. We have two entities upon evolving into GPRS in the backend domain, the serving support node and gateway support node. In the OSS, we have Authentication Center, Equipment Identity Register, and Operation and Management Center. These two subsystems, NSS and OSS, constitute the core network of the GSM architecture. The Mobile Switching Center, similar to ISDN Switching Center with enhancement for mobility management, manages call setup and tearing down calls and generates the CDR, Call Data Register, which is used for billing system. Communicates with PSTN, Public Switch Telephone Network, through a gateway, a kind of MSC with capability to connect with the PSTN for the control plane, while there are a media gateway for the user plane. The MSC also communicates with most of NSS and OSS elements in addition to PSCs responsible for Home Location Register, HLR, a common register for both packet and circuit switching domains. Each subscriber is associated with a single permanent register in the HLR. The HLR holds subscriber data such as mobile subscriber ISDN numbers, MZ number, shared secret, service profile, current location in which VLR, and charging information. The other location register is VLR, which is temporary subscriber database, holds data such as mobile subscriber ISDN, MZ number, authentication data, and service profile. In the packet domain, the serving GPRS support node, upon evolving into general packet radio service, manages logical connections to mobile station, packet exchange, register mobile station in HLR, GPRS register through GR interface, handle mobile station handover in the packet domain, manage authentication, IP address, and keep track of PSC routing. Prepare all data needed for billing for the packet data. The gateway GPRS support node, upon evolving into GPRS, a gateway to connect with other GPRS networks or with the public data network internet. Responsible for dynamic IP addressing, router and firewall, managing SGSN connection and routing in the GPRS register. For the OSS components, we have Authentication Center, which is responsible for encryptions to avoid frauds, stores authentication keys and codes, responsible for subscribers' authentications, inform HLR to manage subscriber and services. Another important element, Equipment Identity Register, which is a database stores IMEI for all mobile stations. The mobile stations can be classified into allowed devices whitelist, rejected devices blacklist, and monitored devices graylist. The last component we will discuss of the GSM architecture is the Operation and Management Center, responsible for central management and monitoring, statistical data collection, management of subscribers, equipment, and billing. That's for this episode. Thank you for watching.